Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about LuxAddiction.com, which is a cell phone or iPod Touch customization website, and I blanked out my iPod Touch, so I'm going to talk a little bit about LuxAddiction.com, and then I'll show you in detail this case for my iPod Touch. So LuxAddiction.com, first of all, the link is in the bottom bar. And also the link to the specific case is in the bottom bar. But basically they're a cell phone or iPod Touch or whatever customization website. I customized my iPod Touch just because I was in the process of getting a new phone, so I didn't know what phone I was going to have. So I just blinged out my iPod Touch, and I always use it, so I thought it would be really great, and I love it. It's so beautiful. And first of all, like, what I really love about Lux Addiction is that they can customize any case for any type of phone that you have, or any like generation of iPod Touch or something like that. So even if you have a model that just came out and your model's like not listed on the site, you can get in contact with them and you can tell them what kind of phone you have, and they can find a case specific for your phone. And also they have hundreds of styles of types of cases to choose from, so it could be like Hello Kitty or butterflies or anything like that, Juicy Couture. And also what I really love about their site is that it's totally customizable, like really to the very last gemstone. It's totally customizable. Like, say for instance you didn't like pink, you could get this in purple or black or whatever color. You could, like, instead of having this, you could have a Hello Kitty, or, you know, anything that you want. You could tell them and they'll help you find a case that fits exactly to what you're looking for. Anything that you want, they'll try their best to do it for you, and the case that you get really suits your personality, and you can't really do that at a store or at a kiosk. So it's really great that you could get a case that fits exactly what you're looking for. So now I'm going to show you a close-up of the case and the details of the case that I got. So basically the case has pink and silver and white Swarovski, I can't say that good, but those crystals, and I really love pink. It's my favorite color, so it was perfect for me. And then it has really cute flowers and hearts. It has a big flower right here by the button, and this huge gem, which I love. And the gems are alternating colors. It's really nice. So that was the front. Then in the back here, the top row has these huge gemstones, a heart with a Chanel. This huge crystal heart right here is so nice with the Chanel. And I love this shopping bag and a bow. And as you can see, it's totally blinged out. It's so eye-catching, and like, it's so beautiful. So what I really love about this case, obviously how it looks. Like I said, it's so eye-catching, and true story, I had this out on my desk today, and I was in class, and one person came by and they were like, oh my gosh, and another person came by and they're like, oh my gosh, and then everyone else wanted to know what they were like yelling about. So there was like 5 people surrounded by me looking at this, and they're like, where did you get it from? It's so pretty, blah blah blah. So you're gonna get lots of attention with this, which is really great. Everyone wants to know where to get one, or, you know, just know about it, just because it's so different, it's so unique. You don't really see things like this every day. You don't see these sold in the stores, so you're going to be really unique with this, and you're going to have like a really big statement piece. It's kind of like a piece of jewelry, you know? And also about this, it's so durable. Like, it has really big pieces on it, and the gemstones are very secure, and you would think that it wouldn't be secure just because these items are so big, but believe me, it's so durable. I hate to say this, but I dropped it like within the first 5 minutes of opening my package. I think because I was so excited that I have it, but I dropped it, and these things did not come off. Like, seriously, they are stuck on here. And they supply you with a little baggie of a few gemstones, like 10 gemstones or something, but I'm pretty sure you're not going to need it just because I dropped this and nothing came off. It's stuck, it's secure, and you're going to be totally safe with this. So yeah, I'm really mad that I dropped it, but thank goodness, it's so durable. Like, it's really durable. So the way that you assemble this, there's little snaps on each side, each corner, and they're just really easy to snap in, just basic snapping. It's so easy to assemble and very easy to take off as well. Although I don't know why you'd want to take it off. I'm never going to have another phone case ever, like, or iPod Touch case. It's so beautiful. But yeah, it's very affordable too, considering how much detail and work goes into this, because each of these is glued on by hand. And if you can see how much of these there are hundreds of little crystals and then these big things. So it takes a lot of work to make just one of these, and it's so detailed and it's really crafty. So it's a very good price. So yeah, I really suggest that you check out luxaddiction.com. Again, the link is below, but there are so many cases to choose from. Again, like I said, you could have any color case that you want. There are so many styles. There's one Hello Kitty one that I adore. There's just like a big Hello Kitty Swarovski face right here and lots of other stuff. I saw a leopard print one, which is also really nice. It has like orange and black leopard print crystals, and there are just so many styles. The possibilities are endless too, because again, you can customize it yourself. So here's one last look of it. So pretty. luxaddiction.com. Below is the link again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!